Hey guys, it's Tom from BV USA again. Over the last couple weeks, we've been talking about our POE switches and some of the features they have and what they can do for you. Today I wanted to show you something a little bit different. So we're actually going to take a look at the factory where all our POE switches are made, so you can see what goes into them and what makes them special. Take a look. Here you can see our manufacturing process. We keep a high standard, dust-free environment to ensure quality control of all our products. As you can see, things are highly automated and optimized to get products made quickly and properly. All right, so that was a look at our factory. Hope you guys liked it. Remember, if you like what you see here, you can subscribe up on this side. And if you want to see some more videos, we've got those for you over here. As always, you can leave your comments down below and we'll get back to you. See you next time.